Lion? Very nice. Put it there. Can you help me find buffalo? Wow, good job. Put it there. Good job. Can you help me find horse? Good job. Put it there. Can you help me find reindeer? Good job. Put it there. Put it there. Next, can you help me find crocodile? Okay, it's okay. Put it there. Can you help me find crocodile? Wow. Can you help me find duck? Duck. Can you help me find duck? Good job. Good job. Put it there. Can you help me find puppy? Wow. Can you help me find dog? Wow, fantastic. Put it there. Put it there. Yes, good job. Put it there. Very nice. Put it there. No problem. Put it there. Yeah. Can you help me find elephant? Elephant. Put it there. One more elephant. Red elephant. Wow. Put it there. Yes. Can you help me find parrot? Fantastic. Can you help me find rabbit? Rabbit. Check it. It is there. Can you help me find rabbit? Yes. Good job. Put it there. Put it there. Rabbit is eating carrot. Very nice. Put it there. Put it here. Put the rabbit on the table. Yes. Can you help me find tiger? Tiger. Orange tiger. Orange tiger. Very nice. Put it there. Can you help me find pink tiger? It's okay. Leave it. It's okay. Leave it. Yes. Can you help me find pink tiger? Pink tiger. It's okay. Put it here. Pink tiger. Very nice. Can you help me find rooster? Rooster. Put it there. Good job. Can you help me find hen? Hen? Wow. Good job, Toshit. It's okay, no problem. Help me find donkey. Good job. Good job. Put it there. Can you help me find giraffe? Wow. Good job, Toshit. Put it there. Put it there. Put the giraffe there. Yes. Make it sleep. Giraffe. Yes. Put it there. Come on, put it there. Put the giraffe there on the table. Yes. Yes. Good job. Can you help me find gorilla? Gorilla. Wow. Put it here. Good job. Can you help me find chimpanzee? Chimpanzee. Good job. Put it there. Come on, pull. Good job, Toshit. Put it there. Put it there. Put it on the table. Yes. Put it there. Can you help me find cow? Cow. What is that? That is a baby cow. What do you call a baby cow? Baby cow is a calf. Good job. What is that?
Two cows.
Two calves. Where is the cow? Where is cow? Here. Good job, Toshit. Very nice. It's okay. Let it sleep. Let the cow sleep. Buffalo is sleeping. Shall I help you? Okay, sleep. Okay, good job. Next, can you help me find hippo? Good job. One more hippo. Can you help me find one more hippopotamus?
One more hippopotamus. One more.
Where is one more hippopotamus? Okay, keep it there. Keep it on the table. Yes, now find one more hippopotamus. Yes, check. Check it there. It is there. Where is one more hippopotamus? Come on. Good job. One more hippopotamus. Good job. Can you help me? Can you help me find goat? Goat. Very nice. Put it there. Yes, put it there. Yes. Put it here. Yes. Put it there. Good job. Can you help me find deer? Deer. Yay! Good job, Toshit. Put it there. Can you help me find fish? It's okay. Can you help me find fish? Fish. Wow. Put it there. Put it on the table. Yes. Can you help me find llama?
It's there.
No, it's there. It's not there? Okay, fine. Can you help me find cheetah? Cheetah. Good job, Doshit. Put it there.
Today.
Cheetah tail. Put it there. Can you help me find one more cheetah? Good job. Put it there.
One more cheetah.
Yeah, put it there.
One more cheetah.
Can you help me find zebra? Wow. Oh my God. Slowly. Take it slowly. Take it. Pick it up. No problem. They're sleeping. Animals are sleeping.
Go.
Good job. Yes. Can you help me find zebra? Yes. Put it there. Very nice. Can you help me find swan? What is that? Reindeer. Yes. Put it there. Okay. Can you help me find camel? Camel. Very nice. Make the camel sleep. Yes. Can you help me find dog? Yes. Good job.
One more dog.
One more dog is there. Put it there. Yes. Yes. Good job. Very nice. Can you help me find llama? Good job. Can you help me find sheep? Sheep. Very nice. Very nice. Can you help me find duck? Duck. Sheep eats grass. Okay, put it there. Keep. Okay, keep it there. Put it there. Yes, put it there. Put it on the table. Can you help me find duck? Yes, good job. Put it there. Can you help me find reindeer again? Yes, one more reindeer. Put it there. Can you help me find cow? Yes, can you help me find cow? Cow? Cow?
One more go.
What is that?
One more.
No? What is that? What is that? One more cow. Good job. Put it there. Put it there.
Here go.
Here cow. Yes, put it there.
Go.
Calf popoindi. It's okay. Let it sleep. Sleep. Let it sleep, Toshit. One more cow. Put it there. Yes, put it there. Good job. Can you help me find hippo? One more hippo. Fantastic. Grunt, grunt. Hippo says grunt, grunt. Put it there. Put it there. Dog is sleeping. Yes, hippo. Put the hippo there. Put it there. Put it there. Good job. Can you help me find deer? Yes, put it there. Goat. Yes, sorry, that is a goat. Put it there. Put it here. What does a cow say? What does a duck say? No, sit. What does a tiger say? No, sit. Sit and answer. Okay. What does a dog say? What does a crocodile say? Okay. What does a snake say? What does an elephant say? What does a parrot say? Parrot. What does a parrot say? Keek, 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 keek. Toshit, come on, sit. What does a duck say? What does a puppy say? Yes, yes. Okay, what does a horse say? Okay, what does a goat say? What does a sheep say? What does a rooster say? Go back to your place. What does a hen say? Okay. What does a chimpanzee say? Chimpanzee. Okay. What does a gorilla say? Go back to your place. What does a gorilla say? Come on, tell me. What does a gorilla say? Yes, good job. loudly. Yay, okay, good job. What does a zebra say? Zebra. Good job, Toshit. Finish your work. Claps. Very nice. Finish. Come on, class. Fantastic.